Hi folks, Ivo here. We are going to take a look at something unusual for my channel. Although it is unusual, it is something very useful. It is Xiaomi Wowstick electric screwdriver. I bought this from Banggood during the Black Friday sale. It took a while to be shipped to my place. I got it recently, but I didn't have the time to look at it. So we are going to unbox it and do a little overview of the product. So, as I said, it's a Wowstick 1P Plus. There are several different packages that you can choose from, and I already taken this sticker off. Okay, in the main box we have 3 additional boxes. Have some instructions, specifications. Okay, this is a bag for the screwdriver itself and its bits. Nothing special, just a cloth bag. Okay, here is the screwdriver itself. Here is the battery compartment. It takes 2 triple A batteries, so I'm going to hopefully I can get it right. Oh yes, I just noticed. I hope you can see it spinning. This whole casing of screwdriver is made from aluminium. It's also metal, but the rest of the case is more or less plastic. Buttons are plastic. There are 2 buttons for each direction, nothing in the center. Let's take a look at the bits. Here we can see all the types. There is 20 of them in here. You can choose the different packages, but I didn't really need so much because I have bits from my previous hand-powered screwdrivers. I would really appreciate if this would come off. Okay, I was opening the wrong side. So you take all of them at single. So when you're not using it, you just put in this cloth bag, and which has two separate compartments. So one is for bits and one is for the screwdriver, and you can carry it with you. So this is my unboxing and overview of the Wowstick. Evil signing out.